Hey folks, welcome to the show. Today we're getting a tip from a healthcare expert in Toma. What do you got for us today, my friend?
Hi, Wally. My handy tip for today is to make sure you're reading the label on your cleaning and disinfecting products. Did you know that many products need to stay wet on surfaces for a certain amount of time before you wipe it off to effectively kill germs? Sometimes this could be anywhere from 30 seconds to several minutes.
No, I didn't know that. You hear that, folks? Take a look at the label and follow the instructions to make sure you're getting rid of those pesky germs.
That's right, Wally. It's a great tip for everyone to follow, whether you're at home or at work. Thanks for having me on the show.
Don't mention it. That's all today, folks. For more health tips like this, visit our website,